Hey there, fast food fanatics! Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, we're serving up a mouth-watering challenge. Can you guess the legendary fast food chains by emojis? You've got 15 questions, each with a 10-second timer. Decode the emojis, guess the restaurant, and show off your foodie IQ in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious challenges. Ready to dig in? Let's fire up those brain fryers and get started. We're kicking off easy. Look at these emojis, golden arches, crispy fries, and a clown vibe. Which fast food icon are we talking about here? McDonald's, the OG of drive-thrus. Spice it up, baby. Think late-night cravings and fiery flavor. What fast food spot rings a bell for you? Taco Bell, always there for your 2 a.m. nacho fix. Time to get cheesy. Picture a blue circle, delicious slices, and a delivery driver on a mission. Which pizza joint is this? Domino's Pizza. Always on time and always cheesy. Caffeine alert. This coffee empire is known for its mermaid mascot and endless lattes. What's the name of this brew trifle place? Starbucks. Basic? Maybe. Delicious? Absolutely. Bonus time. Which logo is correct? A, B, or C? Take a closer look and make your pick. C. That's the iconic Starbucks logo. Nailed it! Sundays and soft serve. This chili chain is a royal treat. Which fast food spot are we talking about? Dairy Queen. All hail the blizzard. Coffee or donuts? This place is a morning savior, serving up hot coffee and glazed goodness. What's your guess? Dunkin' Donuts, because America really does run on Dunkin'. Finger-lickin' good time. This fried chicken empire is all about the secret recipe. Which chain comes to mind? KFC. Pass the bucket, please. Slice, slice, baby. Picture a cozy hut where pizza dreams come true. Which chain does this describe? Pizza Hut. Perfect for family pizza nights. Royal Eats. Which fast food spot makes you feel like a king every time you chow down? Burger King. Bow down to the Whopper. Chicken's on the move. Known for its incredible chicken sandwiches, this place is all about fast service and southern charm. What's the name? Chick-fil-A, closed on Sundays, but always in our hearts. Grill Masters, assemble. Picture burgers, cooked to order, and fries served in brown paper bags. Where are we at? Five Guys. No frills, just flavor. Southern Flair. Known for spicy chicken and buttery biscuits, this spot is a fried food paradise. What's your guess? Popeyes. The chicken sandwich legend lives on. Eat Fresh Vibes. A chain that's all about customizable subs and staying fresh. What's the name? Subway. The sandwich artist's playground. Burrito lovers unite. This place serves up burritos so big, they're basically a meal and a workout in one. What's the chain? Chipotle. Guac might cost extra, but it's always worth it. Thanks for playing, foodies. How did you score? Did you crush it? Or did you discover a few new cravings? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more brain-teasing fun. Until next time, keep munchin' and stay saucy. Stay